Good morning, students. Today we are starting exercise 14.3, question 3rd. Work out the divisions. And first is 10x minus 25 binomial. Two terms are there. Divide by 5. So students, what we will do, first see this 1025, we can take 5 as common. Now 5 2s are 10, x minus 5 5s are 25. Okay, and this is to be divided by 5. So what we will do, we will just cancel this and we will be left with 2x minus 5. This will be the answer. Now students, I just want to tell you what is the mistake that occurs commonly. Now see, sometimes what we did, 10x minus 25 divide by 5. कुछ बच्चे 5 और 10 को कट कर लेते हैं, 5 25. नो, इट कांट, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. वाई? क्योंकि इसका मीनिंग क्या है, 10x by 5 also 25 by 5. Both the terms are to be divided by 5. So if when you will divide, you will get 2x. Here 5 5s are 25. So this is also the same. Is it clear? So but you will prefer this method. Now in second part also this is given. We can take 5 as common and we will be left with 2x. 5 5s are 25. Same as that, but divide by 2x minus 5. So this whole bracket will be cancelled and 5 is our answer. Is it clear? Now see third part. This is to be divided. Just I have written divide means this is divisor to be written in denominator. Now see 10y. Okay, from 6 and 21, what we can take common? We can take 3 as common. So 3 common. What is left? 3 2s are 6y plus 3 7s are 21. On multiplying, you will get this. So it is to be divided by 5, 2y plus 7. So all are in multiplication. Now the full bracket will be divided, and from here 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now 2 3s are, what you will get? 2 3s are 6. And this is y. So 6y will be the answer. Now see fourth part. First this is divided by this. So write this in numerator. 3z minus 24 divide by 27x y z minus 8. Okay. Now what you will do? 9 x square y square. So we can write xy into xy. दोनों powers, 2 powers हैं. From this we can take 3 as common. Z will be left 3z and 3 8s are 24. Same. Now in denominator we have 27. If I break 27, I may write 3 9s are 27. X y also given and z minus 8. See, I have put multiplication sign, जिससे क्लियर हो रहा है कि सब मल्टीप्लाई में है, तभी कट रहे हैं बेटा. तो z minus 8 cancel, 3 will be cancelled, x y will be cancelled and 9 will be cancelled. So we are left with only x y. So x y will be the answer. Is it clear? Now see 96 ABC. This is to be divided. So first we will write 96 A, B, C, 3A minus 12, 5B minus 30. It is to be divided by 144, A minus 4, B minus 6. Okay, you may reduce 96 by 144, या हम ऐसे कर ले 16 6 96 A B C. Okay, and from here we can take 3 common. A 3 4s are 12. Now from this bracket what we can take common? 5. B is left, 5 6 are 30. Now divided by 144, 16 9s are 144. बेटा अगर जिनको नहीं ये लग रहा तो कट भी कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है। 96 144 4 के टेबल में कट होगा, फिर आगे कट होगा, तो ऐसे करके भी आप रिड्यूस कर सकते हो। कैंसिल A minus 4, A minus 4 full cancel. Now 16 and 16 will cancel. Now see 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. अब दोनों किस टेबल में कट रहे हैं? 3 में। 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 5s are 10 and A B C. So what will be your answer? 2 5s are 10 and A B C. This will be the answer. Clear? So in question number 5th, divide as directed. This all these are in multiplication, so just you will reduce and you will be left, nothing is common between 3 and 5. So what will be your answer? 5 into 3x plus 5 is the answer. Okay, now this you see y minus 4 divide हो गया. Now this x is to be divided by x. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. So you will be left with 2 into x plus 5. This will be your answer, and this y also. So this will be the answer. Now see third part. 52 q plus r, q plus r plus p will be this divided. Now p q will be divided by pq. 52 1s are 52, 52 2s are 104. So you will be left with this r and p into q. So this will be the answer. Okay, and this half. So you may write whole divided by 2. This is the answer. In this part, y plus 4 divided by y plus 4. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So nothing common from this. So you will be left with 4y square plus 5y plus 3. So this will be the answer. Clear? And put equal to sign. So here also x divide by x, x plus 1 divide by x plus 1. So you will be left with x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is the answer. So in this way you will complete question 3rd and 4th. Now see question 5th. Factorize the expression, factorize, okay, and divide as directed. So this is to be divided by y plus 5. Now see splitting the middle term. y square और 10 का प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? हमने पहले किया है 10 y square. तो हम ऐसे तोड़ेंगे इस 7y को कि हमारे पास मिडल टर्म जो है प्लस माइनस करके 7y आए और मल्टीप्लाई करके 10y स्क्वायर। तो दिस टर्म, ये जो ब्लू से दिखा रही हूं, दिस इज टू बी स्प्लिट 3 now 10, 5 2s are 10, so 5y plus 2y। जब इन दोनों को प्लस करते हैं तो 7y, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 10y स्क्वायर, सो 10y स्क्वायर। ओके, सो दिस इज स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म। ओके, नाउ this is to be divided by y plus 5. Now from these two, what is common? Y. What is left? Y plus 5. Okay, and from these two term, what is common? 2. What is left? Y plus 5. Divide by y plus 5. Now हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? देखो बेटा, ध्यान से देखो, ये एक टर्म है, ये पूरी दूसरी टर्म है। इन दोनों टर्म्स में से क्या कॉमन आ रहा है हमारे पास? y प्लस 5। क्लियर? एंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट फ्रॉम दिस? y, and from this whole term what is left? 2, and it is to be divided by y plus 5. div cut हो गया and we are left with y plus 2. So this will be the answer. Is it clear? Now again see, this first step is n square minus 14m minus 32. This whole is to be divided by m plus 2. Okay, nothing is to be divided, can be divided m into 32. तो साइड पे प्रोडक्ट क्या है एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स का? माइनस 32m स्क्वायर। ठीक है, अब 32 हम इस टर्म को स्प्लिट करेंगे कि प्लस माइनस करके क्या आ जाए? 14m और मल्टीप्लाई करके माइनस 32। तो वी कैन राइट माइनस 16 2s are 32। जब हम इनको ऐड कर रहे हैं तो माइनस 14m आता है। ठीक है, और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास माइनस 32m स्क्वायर आता है। तो हम इस तरह से इस मिडल टर्म को करेंगे। ठीक है, तो m स्क्वायर माइनस 16m, क्योंकि हमें ग्रेटर जो है वो नेगेटिव चाहिए, प्लस 2m मल्टीप्लाई करके वही आ रहा है माइनस 32, डिवाइड बाय m प्लस 2। नाउ सी, फ्रॉम these two terms and these two terms, ठीक है, what is common? m is common, we are left with m minus 16, and from this 2 is common, m minus 16। ठीक है, divide by m plus 2, don't forget to write denominator। okay, now see, अब कितनी टर्म्स हो गई हमारे पास? एक ये वाली और एक ये पूरी। इन दोनों टर्म्स में से ये क्या है? m माइनस 16 कॉमन, सो m माइनस 16 कॉमन। क्या बचा यहाँ से? m, यहाँ से बचा 2, और हमने क्या किया? डिवाइड बाय m प्लस 2। दिस इज कैंसिल्ड एंड वी आर left with m minus 16 is the answer. So in this way you will be doing 2 sums of fifth also. That's all for today. Thank you.